How to use Translate app feature on an iPhone. You can open the built-in support app on your iPhone. So first, you want to find the support application for your iPhone. You can head into app library and search in support. Once you search in support, what you want to do is you want to open up that application. Now, I do not have the application installed, but you want to open it up, select your source and target languages, and tap enter text easily. So it's pretty simple using that mode. So you can head over to your app store first and search in for support, Apple support. So once you search in Apple support, you should get the Apple support application. As you can see, the official app by application by Apple, sorry. So once you have it installed, you want to head over. So let it get installed, open it up. Once you open up, you want to head over and launch and set the application up. So once you have set up, right, you'll find these various options as you can see. Tap the language buttons. So you want to find the language option. Choose the language here. So if you're unable to find it right over here, you can tap on profile icon at the top right and you'll be able to see these various options. You can proceed to find this device settings language and you can proceed to change it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.